plantains omelette. We need a little of cheese, oil, and salt, and few plantains and eggs. First step, cut the plantains and fry the plantains in a frying pan. Second step, like this. Second step, grate the cheese on a plate, like this. Third step, break the eggs in a cooking pot and add a little of salt and stir, like this. Fourth step, in a cooking pot, add a little of oil, then add part of the eggs. Fourth step, add the plantains, and the cheese on the eggs. After that, add the rest of the eggs on everything. Then the cooking pot put in the microwave for 5 minutes. It's ready until it's ready to be served. Now it's ready. Friends, enjoy your omelette.